Drumming, strumming, lemon, pipers, piping, 10, Lawrence 9, ladies dancing, 8, maids and milk and 7, swan 6, geese a laying, 5, go.
Yo, I'm making Rice Krispie treats. Alright, so listen. Y'all, we are making Rice Krispie treats. I gotta show them what butter I got. Don't hide it, divide it. So, look. Because I got that great value. This is what we finna. Alright, y'all. What's the first step? Melt the butter. I was trying to do some chef shit where I just fling it out the thing, but I ain't realize it's sticky. I'm cool. You got all that blocking my blessing. You better not let that butter burn. Burn, baby. Yeah, that's how you do it at church. Say, you got all that blocking my blessing. No, you can't say that. Why did you use a spoon? Don't use a spoon. What do I use, boo? Blocking my blessing. See, I'm gonna be annoying. I don't think I need a big one. That's enough. I need extra. Okay. Like leave it. You said as soon as you stir it around, so that it can melt down. I'm just saying, because I could feel the love. Like, that's how old couples act. No, they don't act like this. Stir. Just make sure you don't let it go over the edge. Yeah. Some butter in it or something. Okay, stop. Is this good? Take it out. Yes. Gotta pour in. Wait, give me a thing, a wrist. Flick of the wrist. Let me flick my wrist real quick. You gotta keep moving it. It's ready right now? Yes, ma'am. Please. You want me to do the rest of it? Yeah. Okay.
Things aren't really moving. You could use some Metamucil. Metamucil psyllium fiber helps keep your digestive system moving so you can feel lighter and more energetic. Metamucil keeps you moving. And try clear fiber with no grit and no flavor.
Ah! It's hot.
Did you put the vanilla in there?
No. Oh, let me pour it in here.
Do you have to do all that? Hopefully it's spread around.
It will just keep stirring real good. Stir it real good. Put your elbows up there.
Jasmine, please.
Hey, let me try something.
Why can't you wait till something is done?
I don't know.
Is that too big?
No, that ain't too big. Because we can make some more. You just want some more anyway. Remember I told you she used 10 cups. I think that was the difference. She used so much. That's what. Yeah, she said 10 cups of Rice Krispies.
What?
She probably was making like a big batch for her. You know?
I used 4 cups.
Right. So that's like a more normal. Are we supposed to bake that?
No.
Oh.
They was just
Do you where do you put it?
let it cool. That's it.
Oh.
I'm just gather it together, shit. Won't need them damn many in there.
Or do you want to like spread it all the way out and make it?
No, because it's gonna be thin as hell.
Okay. That's perfect, y'all. We don't need that much. And we don't need to eat that much. But you know where you could put it? In here. It's a little hot.
I think it's good just like this.
It's going to cool faster in there, too.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get some, bro.
Yeah, this look good to me. What you think?
I think so, too. Did some people put sugar in it?
No. Nobody put no sugar in it.
No, I was just asking.
You always looking for some sugar.
I'm
Damn. She could be looking for you too.
That's the devil. That's the devil.
Okay. I don't know what you mean.
Ooh. I like how you shape it.
Yes, because then we'll be able to cut it and stuff.
Y'all, look. I can't wait to try this, y'all. Oh my God. Alright, I gotta wait 45 minutes. And then I'll be back.